The codes of light you carry inside anchor a new way of life. Heart-centered being, awareness and seeing. You are out on the leading edge.
Hey guys, so I have the next unboxing, unpackaging 4Ocean bracelet thing. This is a part of a series from 4Ocean. 4Ocean is a company that 7 days a week is out on the ocean pulling plastic and trash out of our oceans. And what they do is they recycle some of that and make them into bracelets. And each bracelet counts for 1 pound being pulled out of the ocean. So if you go to their website and you buy a bracelet, it sponsors, so to speak, pulling a pound of trash out of the ocean. So this is a really cool project that they're working on this year, and I believe you can still subscribe to it anytime during the year. You just would sign up for the rest of the year. So they charge you $20 a month, and they have these special bracelets that come out once a month. So you can get the original 4Ocean bracelet, which is this blue one here. But then they have special bracelets every month. So each month they come out with a new bracelet and it's only available for that month. And 10% of that goes towards a special ecosystem or saving an animal. So like for instance, the February one was for polar bears and saving their habitat. The March bracelet, which is this one, was for coral reefs. So every month, 10% of that goes towards saving a certain estuary or whatever, and then the rest goes to pulling that pound. Last year, which was their first year of business, they pulled 250,000 pounds of trash out of the ocean, and this year their goal is 1 million. So if you go on, buy one bracelet, you're helping clear up the oceans. And if you research how much trash is in our oceans, it's an unbelievable amount. 1.1 billion pounds of trash gets dumped into our ocean every single year. So this is us fighting back. Now each bracelet is actually made out of recycled material. It's glass from the ocean and plastic from the ocean here. And I believe the metal is also recycled as well. So this is a really, really awesome project. And this is something I'm super, super passionate about. So I decided to sign up every month. Now as a subscriber, you get the bracelet actually a few weeks before everyone else. So this is going to be the April bracelet. Now I don't know what this looks like yet, so I'm really, really excited to see. And I've also kind of put out of my mind what all the things are that we are supporting. So it's kind of a surprise for me. This bracelet will be then available at the beginning of April for everyone else. All right, so let's open it up. I can't even tell you guys, every month I am super, super excited to get mine. What's really awesome is even their packaging is conscious and eco-friendly. These shippers are eco, they're from 100% recycled material. This bag is manufactured with a minimum of 50% recycled paper and printed with water-based inks. So this is really, really awesome. So definitely make sure to recycle this. So I'm going to open this up. Now the first one comes with a box that you can put all your bracelets in, and then after that they give you just a little box for it. Alright, so 1 pound planet. There it goes, thank you. Did you know every single minute the equivalent of 1 dump truck full of plastic enters the ocean? To combat this growing problem, 4Ocean will remove 1 pound of trash from the ocean and coastlines for every bracelet sold. We have also partnered with the Earth Day Network to help support their End Plastic Pollution campaign for Earth Day 2018 and Canopy Project, which has the goal of planting 1 tree for every person on the planet by 2020. That is 7.8 billion trees. This bracelet represents your support. That's awesome. So also, as a part of 4Ocean's campaign, you can't actually like volunteer to be on the boats, but you can volunteer for beach cleanup. So if you go on their website and sign up at 4Ocean, you can give them their email and they'll message you when they're doing beach cleanups in your area, which is so, so awesome. I also want to mention that this is not sponsored, would love to be sponsored by them, but I'm really just putting this out there because I'm super, super passionate about this and I really wanted to get out there. I really want to hit that 1 million pounds goal. So we're on our way and very, very excited. So I believe this is the Earth Day bracelet, which is in April. You can see it looks like this and it says commit, collect, connect. Like this. Oh, yes, that's really exciting. So with each one, you get a little booklet and there's the bracelet inside, which is blue and green, And then you get a 4Ocean sticker, which I should start giving these away because I have one for each one. And then you get a little 1 pound that's the color of the bracelet. So that's really exciting. And this is also a little sticker. So John Michael and I, once spring comes and we clean up the car, we're actually going to put all the pounds on the back of the car because we have a huge sticker collection. So in here, it's going to talk a little bit about Earth Day and what the bracelet is helping. So it says, this bracelet is a celebration of Earth Day. Now, I actually have the first Earth Day bracelet, which was just green, so this one's a little bit different. The world's largest environmental movement. We are partnering with Earth Day Network for 2018 because they're focused on reducing single-use plastic that threatens marine life. More than 8 million tons of plastic enters the ocean each year. Okay, so that's a lot. Think about that, guys. Think about all the single-use plastic that we don't even think about goes into our ocean. It's just crazy. Like, have you ever thought about, like, this is a plastic bag from the store, or this is a straw? Like, do you ever think about where that goes afterward? It's really important that we start recognizing that everything we use does end up somewhere. It's not just a transient object. Well, it is in our life, but it's not for the planet. 1 bracelet equals 1 tree planted and 1 pound of trash removed from the ocean. So this bracelet, that 10%, is actually going to that planting trees company, which is super awesome. In just 1 year, a mature leafy tree produces enough oxygen for 10 people. That's awesome. Together with Earth Day Network, we will plant a minimum of 10,000 trees to help reverse the effects of climate change. Wear this bracelet as a reminder to be mindful regarding single-use plastic and efforts to protect our planet. As with all of our bracelets, we commit to pulling 1 pound of trash from the ocean. This bracelet represents your support. So this is super awesome, and I'm really, really excited. So this is the bracelet, and I absolutely love them. So I hope you guys can see this. It's blue and green mixed. So today I'm wearing my shark conservation bracelet, which helps go towards, shark conservation. My original 4Ocean bracelet, and then my coral bracelet. So I'm going to add this. I'm so excited. I can't even tell you guys. Every month I get so ridiculously excited for this. It's like a weird... But, you know, this is what I'm passionate about. You know, I'm vegan and I help with this, and there's a lot of things, and I feel where we put our money is what grows, or where we don't put our money is what diminishes. So where do you want the planet to go? Which direction? And put your money there. Put your money where your mouth is, essentially. So this is something that's hugely important for me. I have signed up for the beach cleanup, so I'm really excited for that. Hopefully we will get contacted and I can vlog that because I'm really, really excited. So anyway, I wanted to keep you guys updated because this is an amazing group, and I definitely will have the links down below for 4Ocean. Also, if you check out this video right here, it's all about 4Ocean and their YouTube channel. I'm going to put the links to 4Ocean down below. They have an Instagram and a Facebook, and do they have a Facebook? Yes. And a website. And if you check out right here, this is a video all about 4Ocean on their YouTube channel. Also, if you would like to subscribe and check out my most recent video, you can also do that as well. My other social media links are also in the description down below, along with my Etsy, my Instagram, and my GoFundMe if you'd like to help support my channel. So have a wonderful day, many blessings, namaste, and don't forget, it's all about the soul journey. Mwah. Bye.